This is a 3-story building arranged as 10 studio flats. It's got a hardwired fire alarm system that was installed approximately 15 years ago. It's a very high-risk building because it's got 10 cookers and 10 people cooking. What I'm going to show you now is how the Tripactivator has been retro-installed into the building using radio-linked system. This is the studio accommodation that we're protecting. The kitchen, consumer unit, Tripactivator down there. In the student accommodation you can see the coil meter for charging for the electricity. Next to it is the consumer unit, that's the original one. What we've done is add a radio linking Tripactivator underneath. This sends a signal up to the trip, turning the power off to the cookers and the power points in this accommodation should there be a problem with the fire alarm system. I'll now give you a quick demonstration. You can see that the Tripactivator has turned the power off to the cooker and power points. Once again, a fire has been saved. You can see the LED on the Tripactivator is flashing to warn you that it's actually been activated. There's a Tripactivator in every flat, as I've said. We put a transmitter up here. Once this fire alarm sounder is activated, it causes the transmitter to send a signal out to the Tripactivators, and 30 seconds later they turn all the cookers off.